Luxury layouts rarely rely on complexity because simplicity often feels more expensive. Today, how to design refined minimal frame compositions. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 square canvas. Start with a warm white background and keep the workspace intentionally uncluttered. Insert a single large rectangular frame slightly off-center and upload your primary image. Adjust the crop carefully to create balance and visual focus. Duplicate the frame, move the copy behind the original, enlarge it slightly, and reduce its opacity to create a soft layered border effect. Add one thin geometric line near the edge of the composition and lower